DAWN News Dictation number 18. Speed 80 words per minute. Start. With the start of the Israel-US war on Iran, marked by missile strikes on Tehran and other urban centers, the attempt to reshape the region is underway. Full stop. It may take several days before it is clear if the regime change objective has been achieved and how the Islamic Republic has fared in what it considers an existential fight for stop. When the US ambassador to Israel suggested Israel had the right to take over vast swath of the Middle East on biblical grounds, the Muslim world, particularly the Arab Gulf states, protested. Full stop. Secretary of State Marco Rubio may have advised caution, but the statement revealed a vision of Israel surrounded by compliant regimes unable to challenge its occupation of Palestine. Full stop. The outcome of this war will depend on how much Iran can inflict damage on the US, Israel, and Gulf states and how long it can sustain the fight against the immense US military, acting as a proxy for Israel. Full stop. If Iran remains resilient and continues missile retaliation, the Greater Israel vision could become a nightmare, depending US defiance and increasing pressure on Trump to halt operations. Full stop. The attack has nothing to do with Iran's nuclear program. Full stop. By tearing up previous agreements and attacking Tehran during negotiations, Trump has shown that his agenda is regime change, annihilating Iran's missile capabilities and navy, echoing Israel's objectives. For stop. Iran handled the 12-day war last year effectively, retaliating with missile strikes against Tel Aviv and oil facilities, showing its capacity to withstand decapitation attacks. For stop. The difference now is the massive US military build-up acting as an extension of Israel's forces. For stop. Strategists in Saudi Arabia and Pakistan are closely monitoring developments. For stop. Saudi Arabia has refused to join the Abraham Accords without a Palestinian homeland, while Netanyahu seeks alliances with some Gulf states, African nations, and India. Full stop. Pakistan may need to protect its nuclear and missile assets and strengthen ties with China and Russia to encounter emerging threats. Full stop.